Hello guys and welcome to my channel once again. So today I am bit excited. Date is 19th of May and the reason for excitement is I am going on a trip again. Yes, I am going on a trip. This time I am heading to Rishikesh and Jim Corbett and might be Delhi or I suppose Munsiari or not yet decided. So this is the car as usual, my Safari. And who all are going with me? Well, with me Ayush, Nikhil, Amit, and me. We four are going, and now I am packing my luggage. Most of you guys are familiar with this car, as I take this for rallies and every trips wherever I go. So let's hope so for a good adventure, and we'll share all the videos and photos on my page and Avid Traveler. And so let's go for a drive.
A few moments later.
We have taken, and what we have ordered today is sweet lassi, roti, sev tomato, and some aloo sabji. This is Nikhil, this is Amit, this is Pyaz. So this is the first stop we have taken, and time is 12:05 a.m. Hey guys, so far we have completed 400 something kilometers, 450 kilometers, and we are ahead of Meerut, and still Jim Corbett is 175 kilometers, I suppose. Our drive was amazing so far. I'm a bit tired. Rest. This is Amit. जाना तो क्या डर क्या रहा है, मैं वो कर रहा हूँ क्या? इंडिया में ब्लॉगिंग करते हैं ना तो ऐसी ही हरकतें होती है, आदतें भटकते हुए। क्या कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो अभी? अमित आएगा। मिक्स पकोड़े, छोले भटूरे, दही, अचार, चाय, थोड़ा वापस भटूरा और ये बटर वाला पराठा। अमित क्या कर रहा है?
मार रहा हूँ।
हैं?
मार रहा हूँ।
क्या कर रहा है?
मार रहा है।
अमित क्या कर रहा है? The Google map is showing it's around 70 kilometers from here. It will take around 1.5 hours. क्यारी विलेज के अंदर ढूंढना है। कहाँ है भाई, ये कैसा इलाके में है?
शेर पता है, दिख तो जाएगा, देख देख।
So guys, finally after 12 hours of driving and covering almost around 780 kilometers from Ajmer, we have reached to this beautiful place, our resort. Uh, what's the name of the resort? I forgot. The name is little tough. Floresta Beach Resort. So it's around 1.5 kilometers, 7 kilometers from the main city, and it's an amazing resort. It has pool and every facility what you want other than the network. This whole route is in the jungle only, so the route is not well maintained and बहुत बुरी हालत है route की. Somehow we have covered. That's my car by my side always. And we have reached safely. Now we'll rest for today, and tomorrow morning around 6 a.m. Our safari will start for around 3 hours, and after that we'll head towards Rishikesh and stay there for 1.5 day and then to Delhi. So let's hope मज़ा आए, अच्छा लगे, एंड कल सुबह की सफारी का फिर दिखाते हैं जो भी है. तब तक मैं आकर टूर दे देता हूँ कितना अच्छा रिजॉर्ट है ये. सो दिस इज़ द रिजॉर्ट बेसिकली. गार्डन, car parking, and our rooms are on that side, and what we're gonna see is the pool where we'll be relaxing for the whole day because it's damn hot here. Temperature is around 35 I suppose, so 35-40, so it's very hot. There are my friends Ayush, Amit and Nikhil. That's the pool. That's the best part. That's why I booked this resort. गौर से इन चारों के हम आपको हमारी कल वाली वीडियो में भी मिलेंगे मैं सफारी करते हुए. ये हाँ यही.
A few moments later.
Go. What an amazing villas. This resort is amazing for sure. Just look at them. And I think we are getting that villa. This is how it looks in the night. We are heading towards our resort, and that resort is in Kyari village. See the condition of the road. In the daytime it was okay, but in the night it has become even more spooky. See the condition. This route is closed from June to July to September because of the rains. All the roads gets washed away. See this. Let me turn off the lights. Only LED बाहर. पेड़ देख रात में कैसा लग रहा है. उसको भी कर भैया. मजा आ गया इनको.
आपको नहीं पता मैं क्या करेगा.
हमें देख वो रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहा है क्या. वो रुक गया है, हमको देख रहा है क्या. The Jim Corbett starts our gate. दुर्गा देवी. ये निखिल, अमित, आयुष और मैं. We are in Gypsy. दूसरा जानवर जो हमें दिख रहा है वो है हिरन. वो है हिरन. कौन सा डियर भी है. बार्किंग डियर.
ये एक टांग ऊपर करके देख कैसे बैठा है.
हाँ थका हुआ होगा. घंटे होने को आ गए. सुबह से कुछ भी नहीं दिखा है. पत्ते दिख रहे हैं, पेड़ दिख रहे हैं. Entering in the second zone. Now we are entering in the second zone, that is Sitavari, and this time we are taking our safari, not renting any gypsy. This is the first time I will be driving in the jungle. We are lucky enough to see that big beast, this tiger. Their way to find lions and tigers in the forest. Other side is
आकर
ये हमारे भाई ऐसे हैं
ओए ये मजबूत है ये।
एंड वी आर ड्राइविंग इनटू जंगल.
ओए ओए ये डंडा मजबूत है क्या?
We have now officially entered in the, I forgot that zone name, and now we have to go straight following those gypsies. Look at that route. We are into jungle, following those gypsies in a hope to see some tigers or some amazing animals, some animals which are not usually seen in our cities, in our day-to-day life. We gave them some biscuits and they are so happy eating that. Ha!
देख देखो उसके बेचारा वो बेचारा उसने ले लिया ना उसे, वो सब छीन रहे उससे।
वो तो 3-3 4-4 लेके जा रहे हैं.
उससे तो लालची है बिल्कुल। इसने क्या शिकार करके बहन के पेट में भर के पानी पी के फिर घर जा रही है। यार भाई मेरी बात सुनो यार, रुक जाओ यार, गारंटी बहन के।
ऐसे लाएगा. Condition of the roads. There's a tractor in front of me with no rear signals or anything. See this.
इनक्रेडिबल इंडिया।
Incredible India. Nikhil jumping from the cliff.